Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to do some nail art with these pretties. This is the Orly Neon Earth collection for summer 2018. I have a review of these polishes up on my channel, so check that out. I will link it in the cards. We are going to do a tutorial on these nails today. Super simple floral design. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Let's get into the tutorial. We are going to need our handy dandy plastic lid as per usual for your polish petals. I have a dotting tool. I use this one that has the large dotter and a small dotter. I also have a toothpick. So as per usual, we're going to start with our polish petals. Go in with my dotting tool. I'm going to use the smallest side and draw some flowers. Now there's a few different kinds, so let's start with the one with the long petals. So just dot and pull straight in. Make as many petals as you like. Now we'll switch to the bigger side and we're going to do the, I don't know what you want to call them, rose colored. Make a very, very unpretty dot. I go in with my toothpick and pick a different color. One lighter and one darker. And I just kind of marble it like that. Next one, I like to use the big end of my dotting tool and just make 5 dots. And then I just go in with the small end of the dotting tool and do little dots. And final step, I just go in with a different color and do all of the dots in the middle of the flowers. Alright guys, that's our tutorial. I hope you loved it. So we had 3 different flower designs. The first one we did, you just use the dotting tool, dot and pull in, super simple. The other one, you just make a marble circle. I can't explain it any better. And the third one, just simple, 5 dots in a circle and it makes a flower. Aren't they so cute, you guys? That's so simple. You absolutely can do this and you will look awesome. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know if you try. I would love to see. And I will see you guys again very soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.